From Divine Sister of the Light Chalea, Channel and Mystic. Urgent update. 3 X-class solar flares in 24 hours. It's not over yet. Stay tuned. The Galactic Federation. This is an urgent Ascension event update for May 9th, 2024. Blessings, our dear family of light. Your solar logos has ejected 3 X-class colossal flares within a 24-hour time space. This extreme activity isn't expected to slow anytime soon. Your star is keeping up its very high activity with 3 more X flares over the past day. The first, an X 1.0, came out at 9:08 p.m. UTC last night, followed less than an hour later by an M 9.9, just on the threshold of another X flare. The second X flare of the past 24 hours was an X 2.3, fired again by AR 3664 at 9:11 UTC this morning. This flare appears to have a fast coronal mass ejection CME associated with it, and then at the moment of this update, another X-class flare reaching the X 1.1 erupted, giving you 3 colossal ejections in the last 24 hours. The same region has been firing off large M flares for the last 24 hours and has now surpassed AR 3663 as the primary region to watch. It's not over yet. Stay tuned. Within the last 24 hours, very high sun activity continues with 3 X flares and a long list of M flares. The sun has produced 20 flares, 3 X flares, 15 M flares, and 2 C flares within a 24-hour time space. The largest was an X 2.3 flare from AR 3664 at 9:11 a.m. UTC on May 9th. The most recent being the X 1.12 class flare happening at the time of this update. Your Earth also is keeping up with a boost of activity from your star, within the last 24 hours being very eventful, as the frequencies began to fluctuate significantly again. In fact, the first oscillation of the series started on May 7th at 23 Hz and brought the amplitude to the power of 25 Hz at 11:30 p.m. Then on May 8th at 5 a.m. UTC, a more consistent movement began, which led to peaks of higher values. At a power of 32 Hz at 7:30 a.m. and a power of 37 at the maximum value, shortly after 8 a.m. UTC, and again shortly after 11 UTC. At 12 p.m. the frequencies quickly rose above the base values. Today on May 9th, the amplitude has started again, giving you a 27 Hz at the time of this update. Your star receives its direction and amplitude from the central star of this galaxy, which receives its direction from the central flower of creation. The infinite creator sends out the frequencies through intent from the central flower. This galaxy then picks up on that vibration and redirects it to the stars within it. At these moments, all the frequencies that are being sent by the infinite are being directed through your star for humanity's and the Earth's ascension. This works very much like your Wi-Fi signals. All this extreme activity that you and your Earth are receiving is causing more to finally open their eyes to truth, to love, to our presence, and to the very rapid ascent the Earth is now experiencing. The Earth is moving very quickly into the higher 4th dimensional spectrum. Humanity must rise to meet these vibrations. There will be many choosing to leave the Earth in these times. Their physical bodies cannot withstand the higher vibrations the Earth is now receiving. It is now becoming much harder to hold on to any lower vibration, including any lower emotions such as anger, hate, or fear. Those types of vibrations will feel very uncomfortable to the body. Release all that does not serve your ascension in these times. Only focus on things that will raise you in the light. This will help to make your transformation into the higher 4th dimension with much more ease. The grand event is very near. The infinite creator will awaken as many individuals as possible for this event, pushing Earthlings into a 5th dimensional galactic society. Your Mother Earth is so very excited as we all anticipate your grand entrance into the 5th dimension. We love you so very much, and we honor your courage and dedication to the work of light. We are the Galactic Federation. This has been an Urgent Ascension event update for May 9th, 2024 from UniversalLighthouse.com.